Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, but first, I just want to say if you had trouble solving this on your own in an algorithm, then you should get a new piece of paper right now and prepare to copy down with me the same steps that I do. Just follow along with the video and copy my steps. That'll help you get the hang of using the algorithm to solve these problems. If you use the algorithm and you think you have the right answer, then you should just be checking that you did the same steps as me as I go through in this video. The first thing that you need to do is make an estimate. An estimate will help you test your answer at the end to see if you got it right. So an estimate for this problem would be something like this. 86 would round to 90, and 35 would round to 40. So 9 times 40 is 3,600. So my estimate is going to be 3,600. If our answer is near that or like in the same range, then we know we probably did it right. I'm going to write that up here so I don't forget. 3,600 is my estimate. The next thing you want to do is write your partial products. We know that in a 2 by 2 multiplication problem like this, there's going to be two partial products. And I'm going to write those on the side over here so I just can remember what I'm trying to find here. The first one is going to be 5 times 86. And the second one, I'm going to do the second one in a different, oh, come on, that's a better 6. I'm going to do the second one in red so we can like kind of tell them apart here. The second one is going to be 30 times 86. So we decompose that bottom factor, 35, into 30 and 5. And we're going to multiply both of those pieces times 86. So we're going to do 5 times 86 first, and we're going to do 30 times 86. And then we're going to add those up, and hopefully we get the right answer. Ooh, that's an ugly 6. Okay, we're going to move on. So back to blue. And let's do our first partial product. We're going to start in the ones place, because we always start with the smallest place value, and we start with 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So nothing in the ones place. Carry those 3 tens into the tens place, so we can add them into our next answer. Then we multiply the tens place. So 5 times 8 is, oh, I almost made a mistake. That's not an 8, that's an 80. 5 times 80 is 400 plus 3 more tens would give us 430. And since we don't have to do any more multiplication for this partial product, we don't have to do any more regrouping. We can just write our answer in here. We already have a 0 in the ones place, so we just need to write those 400s and the 3 tens into the tens place. Now let's go to our second partial product, 30 times 86. Oh, you know what else we should do that I forgot to do? This is actually a really important step. Cross out numbers after you add them in. After you regroup these and you add them into your answer, cross them out, especially when you're doing problems like this, because it's really easy to get them mixed up and then you're going to end up with the wrong answer. Okay, so now we're in 30 times 86. Let's start with 30 times 6. 30 times 6 is 180. So I'm going to put that 0 in the ones place. We know we're not going to have anything there. That 8 in the tens place from 180, and then I'm going to carry that 100 into the hundreds place so I can add it into my next part of my partial product. 30 times 80 is I almost made a mistake. It's not 240. 30 times 80 is 2,400, but I have to add this other 100 in that I just regrouped, so it's actually going to be 2,500. Cross that out so we know we already did it. 2,000 in the thousands place, 500 in the hundreds place. It's really important that you're careful about how you line up the place values in these problems. If you don't line them up correctly, when you go to add them, which we're about to do, then you're going to make a mistake and get it wrong. Okay, now we just have to add up these two partial products and see what we get. 0 plus 0 is 0, easy. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 down here, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 5, plus 5 more is 10. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer I got is 3,010, and that is pretty close. It's not perfect, but it's close to our estimate, at least in the same range, which makes me think that we probably got the right answer. See what you got, check that you had the same steps, and hopefully you're starting to get the hang of this multiplication algorithm.